So here is the R8 in question. It's currently got the bonnet missing. It's currently inside the paint booth, ready for paint. Purdy has got everything ready and he's going to talk you through the stages right now. Get this bonnet looking brand new again. Do you mind telling us what your processes are?
Yeah, no worries. So it came in for stone chips. So it's just a case of flattening all the stone chips out, high build primer, blocking it all back down again, and then literally putting it back in the booth, 2-stage metallic, base coat, clear coat, off we go and paint it.
So where was the actual damage?
It's all across the front, so it's stone chips all the way across the front, and then like you say, you can see where we finished the primer itself, blended it in, so we won't take the colour all the way to the edge, but we're being a 2-stage metallic. We'll blend the base coat in, and then obviously clear coat all the way to the edge, behind the bonnet as well, which you can probably see down here, just to sort of wrap the edge up properly.
Cool, and I've also seen you've got the blue event door in here. Let's go have a look at that. So what's happening with this?
Okay, so there was 1 to 2 areas of damage, nothing too bad, but like I said, we've pretty much taken the whole quarter off.
There's a lot of value in it. You've got to.
They've got to, yeah, they've got to be taken off the car already. Just basically get all the way at the back of the edge. We're being a 3-stage colour as well. It does make the process a lot more, makes it easier, and obviously it guarantees the work at the end as well. So
here it is. You can see all inside. It's quite interesting when you have the panel off, and I believe the panel is over there. Take a look at that. So what do you call this blue?
So this is Lamborghini Blue Neathans. Obviously it's 3-stage paint. First process, obviously it's like a light purpley metallic, and then dry all your coats off, and then you go over the blue dye itself, which obviously gives you the flip and the blue, you know, to obviously create that sort of effect.
Well, it looks the same. I believe you boys have done an amazing job on this. Cannot find a single flaw with any of the work that they've done so far. Anyway, you're ready for paint, aren't you?
Yeah.
Purdy has mixed all the paints up, and now it's ready to be sprayed. Just finished putting the second layer of clear coat on now, and it is a proper mirror finish. You can see my hand in the reflection. What a crazy difference. All within the space of about half an hour. But it's now going to be sat here, left to dry, and once it's dried, they're going to polish it and smooth everything out, making sure it is absolutely perfect when they put it back on the car. So this side has been wet flatted, and was wet flatted, but now you've just polished it out.
Wet flatted with a 1500 wet car paint on, a 3000, and we'll finish it off on a 6000.
Okay.
It's easy to mop up, finish on a 6000. That's a cutting compound, so obviously that'll get rid of all the flatting marks of what we put on there. But we usually flatten to do paint like upper rectification, but also we do it to match the feel, so it looks genuine then.
There you go. I don't even need to get close, like you can just see it for yourself.
And that's just first stage.
That's just one stage, is it?
Yeah, we've still got second and third to do. Normally after we do this stage, we soak it in panel one, we let it sink in because that brings the flatting marks back up. And then we do the first stage again, and then we do second and third. And we put it on the car and finish it off.
Day day 2 of the stone chipped bonnet repair on the R8. As you saw, Frank was doing the 50-50 for us, just to show you the difference between once they've flatted it and had a stage 1 polish. Now it's had a stage 2 all over, and take a look at the difference. On another note, we just had this Luma CLR 558 GT come in. I've never seen one of these personally, ever. So it's a very rare car, but unfortunately, it's been vandalised. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera. Yes, you can. It's actually had nitro moors and paint poured all over it. Very sad to see these kind of cars come in, but this car is going to be fully restored over the next month or 2. The glass is smashed as well. Paint all over the window. Paint all up here. It's almost like industrial paint as well. Like that's not coming off unless you leave it with professionals. All over the front bumper, paint stripper all down the side. The whole car is covered in paint and nitro moors, fully vandalised. You can't look. I mean, look at this. You can see what the nitro moors has done. Paint is fully lifted from the bodywork, and this car needs a full respray. We are going to do updates on our Instagram. Check out onyx_autobodies. I'll leave it down in the description. We're going to show the whole process on Instagram. So make sure you go check out onyx_autobodies. Everything is down in the description. Go check it out. It's actually sad. I bet you don't like seeing these cars coming like this.
Nah, to be honest, mate, I like the challenge.
You like the challenge, but it'd be horrible if it happened to you.
It's a lot of work involved in this. A lot of work, a lot of stripping. Seeing what you can salvage, what you can't salvage, because obviously, like, the car's been ripped off, customers brought it back, and he wants it basically put back to normal. But there's panels like this, so like,
Look at all this.
that'll need replacing. That's corroded. Like.
It's a shame that they literally managed to hit every part of the car, haven't they? They're pretty much, it's destroyed, as destroyed as it can get.
It'll be a full strip down now. Anything that can come off comes off.
Anything that, yeah, literally anything that can come off this car is coming off. Even the roof? They're fully gone for it, haven't they?
I think roof lining out and everything.
Roof line out. This car is going to be a shell in the next couple of weeks or so. I'm sure you boys will do a great job and make it look brand new again. I'm sure you can pull it off. I mean, like I said, guys, check out the Instagram. It's going to be a long one, so it's probably best you go follow the Instagram and see all the stories and all the processes we have to go through to get this car looking brand new again. It's going to be a long one, but like Frank said, he likes a challenge.
Ready for it?
Ready, yeah?
Ready.